Connect the chiller power cable voltage 220 volt, single phase. There are 4 pipe connections here. These 2 are used to connect the laser head. These 2 are used to connect the laser source. It will have an outlet and an inlet. The outlet of chiller is connected to the inlet of laser source. The outlet of laser is connected to the inlet of chiller. This is the water circulation between water chiller and laser source. These 2 are the water cooling circuit of the laser head. The outlet of water chiller connected to the inlet of laser head behind machine. The outlet of laser head behind machine connected to the inlet of water chiller. If temperature below 0, then add antifreeze liquid into water. Water used is distilled water or purified water. Filling water here after remove the cap. We can observe this water level gauge when filling water. Keep the water level in the green range. You can add a little more when adding water for the first time, because the pipe will fill up with water once it circulates, and the water level will drop. Pay attention to the water level change and replenish water in time. The cooling water better to be replaced every 7 months. This is the drain for changing water. There are 2 displays on the front of the water cooler. This is the laser head water temperature display. This is the laser source water temperature indicator. We have already set it, so you don't need to set it yourself. If the temperature is too low, it will heat up, and if the temperature is too low, it will cool down. The machine needs 2 gases. One is oxygen and the other is nitrogen. We will provide 2 blue oxygen pipes and white nitrogen pipes. Connect it to the corresponding position. Connect the other end to the cylinder. You need to buy this per ammeter by yourself. Nitrogen output should reach 1.2 to 1.4 MPa. The oxygen output must reach 1.2 MPa. This is the power cable of machine. It has 4 wires on the other end. This 0 line needs to be connected to the corresponding 0 line position. The other 3 lines can be connected in this order. This N wire must be connected to the N interface wire, otherwise it will burn out the machine. There is a place where you can install the air conditioner on the back of the machine. You can fix it with screws. This is the power cable for air conditioner. You can connect it according to the corresponding wire label. This group is aligned, so the N wire can be connected to the N interface. Anyone is okay in this N interface group. This is W2, not what we want, because this line is W3. So we can connect to these 6 places. Then this pale N can be connected to the yellow-green interfaces. This cable is the power cable and signal cable for the screen. We need to pass it through the hole. Then we install the monitor stand. Pass the display cable through this hole. We can install this protective shell. The display has 3 interfaces: HDMI, VGA, power. We have power cable and the MI cable. Connect the corresponding interface. Fix the screen with screws. There is a black wireless receiver inside the mouse. There are 2 USB ports here. Plug it into any USB port. Then turn on the power switch of the mouse. This is the mouse switch. This is the signal receiver of the operating handle, connected to the host on the back of the machine. The other end can be stuck to the machine magnetically. When the machine is powered on, you can press the green button to start the computer. Computer is starting up. These two buttons control the power of the machine. The top is the emergency stop button, the bottom is the on-off switch. First turn the key to on. Then turn the emergency stop button to the right. There will be a security notice after opening the software. You can click the OK button. We can click on the first option to do home setting. Machine will go to the right front home position. You can use the handle to control the machine also. This red dot is the mark of the laser position. Let's try. You can get a very perfect cut. When turn off machine, firstly close software. Press the emergency stop button. Turn the key to off. Turn off computer by pressing the green button.